Welcome. Let's look at this one for a quick one. WASSCE 2024 May-June edition for Nigeria. The probability that Amaka will pass an examination is 3 on 7, and that Bala will also pass examination is 4 on 9. Find the probability that both will pass the examination. This is a compound probability. If you hear the word and, we know and refer to multiplication or the intersection. So we are going to have this by a quick one. Probability of both passing will be equals to probability of who the first person is what? Amaka, intersection or times the probability. Let me just write it here. The probability of Amaka passing times probability of what? Bala passing. The end is a multiplication or the intersection of the two. So in this case, we only introduce their probability as 3 on 7 times 4 on what? 9. You know this 3 will go here 3 times. 4 times 1 will still remain 4. Then 7 times 3 will give us 21. So the probability that both are passing or will pass will be 4 out of 21. I'm sure this one is a quick one. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.